Ever wonder how lions, sharks, and eagles manage to consistently catch their meals? The natural world is a constant battle for survival, and predators have evolved incredible strategies to succeed. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of predator hunting techniques. We'll explore 3 key strategies: ambush predation, pursuit predation, and cooperative hunting. Each approach is perfectly suited to a predator's environment and prey, showcasing the remarkable adaptability of nature. Let's get started. First up, ambush predation. Think of a leopard patiently waiting, perfectly camouflaged in the branches, then launching a surprise attack. This strategy relies on stealth and explosive speed. The praying mantis is another master of ambush, blending seamlessly with flowers to snatch unsuspecting insects. It's all about minimizing detection and maximizing impact. Next, we have pursuit predation. Cheetahs are the ultimate example, built for incredible speed and endurance. They chase down their prey across vast distances, relying on their athleticism. Wolves also use pursuit, but often over shorter distances, using their stamina to wear down their targets. It's a test of both speed and resilience. Finally, consider cooperative hunting. African wild dogs, for instance, work together in packs to surround and exhaust prey much larger than themselves. Orcas, or killer whales, use complex coordinated maneuvers to herd fish or even hunt seals. Did you know some spider species also cooperate, building elaborate webs together to trap larger insects? So, from silent ambushes to high-speed chases and collaborative teamwork, predators demonstrate incredible ingenuity in their quest for survival. The diversity of hunting strategies highlights the power of natural selection. If you enjoyed learning about these amazing predator tactics, give this video a like and subscribe for more wildlife wonders. Let us know in the comments which hunting strategy you found most fascinating.